How does Daniel Craig, now 57 years old, still look like he's 35? How does this man, who has portrayed one of the world's most iconic action heroes for nearly 2 decades, maintain a body so lean, so powerful, it seems almost supernatural? If you think it's just good genes or Hollywood magic, think again. Daniel Craig's fitness is no accident. It's the result of a lifestyle, 5 fundamental habits that keep him in peak condition and defy the aging process. Today, I'm going to take you deep inside Daniel Craig's world, his diet, his workouts, his recovery rituals, so you can learn exactly how he stays young, strong, and unstoppable. The myth of aging gracefully. Daniel Craig breaks all the rules. Let's start with the truth nobody wants to admit. We all know the standard story. After 40, your metabolism slows, your muscles shrink, and your energy fades. You naturally lose that youthful physique, and there's nothing you can do about it. But Daniel Craig shatters this myth. When Casino Royale premiered in 2006, Daniel was 38 years old, well past the prime that Hollywood usually reserves for male action stars. And yet, his physical transformation for James Bond redefined what an older man's body could look like on screen. Since then, his fitness has not only endured, it's evolved. At 57, he maintains a body fat percentage around 10%, with muscle definition and agility that many would envy at 25. How? The answer lies in the habits that go beyond just the gym. Habit number 1, train to perform, not just to look good. Daniel Craig's workouts aren't about vanity or showing off in front of the mirror. His training is functional, designed to make his body perform at the highest level, whether it's sprinting across rooftops, grappling in fight scenes, or simply enduring long days on set. Forget endless bicep curls or isolation machines. Craig's routine revolves around compound multi-joint movements, lifts, and exercises that mimic real-life actions. His weekly training includes power circuits with exercises like clean and press, weighted step-ups, pull-ups, incline push-ups, triceps dip, knee raises. This full-body circuit hits strength, endurance, and mobility all at once. It builds muscle that moves with purpose, not just looks pretty under lights. Craig's philosophy is simple: train to be capable, and the aesthetics will follow. Habit number 2, a structured week of strength and cardio. Daniel's training week is meticulously planned, a mix of heavy lifting and recovery work to keep his body in balance. Monday, full-body power circuit, intense, high volume, focusing on explosive strength. Tuesday, chest and back day, pressing and pulling motions to build upper body density and strength. Wednesday, leg day, squats, lunges, deadlifts, because power starts from the ground up. Thursday, shoulders and arms, focused on sculpting and reinforcing the muscles that make his fighting scenes convincing. Friday, repeat of Monday's full-body power circuit, reinforcing strength and conditioning. Saturday, active recovery, stretching, light cardio, sauna sessions. Sunday, rest. This variety prevents burnout, promotes muscular balance, and most importantly, allows Craig to perform explosive stunts with precision and safety. Habit number 3, the No Frills Diet that powers a super spy. If you imagine Craig's diet to be complicated, restrictive, or faddish, think again. He keeps it simple, consistent, and nutrient-dense. For breakfast, Daniel favors poached eggs, usually 2, paired with whole grain toast. No fried eggs every day, but he admits to indulging occasionally because balance matters. Lunch and dinner revolve around high-quality proteins, lean meats like chicken, lamb, and beef, oily fish like salmon and mackerel, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and plenty of plant-based sides such as brown rice and vegetables. Snacks typically include probiotic-rich yogurt mixed with nuts, giving him a healthy gut boost and sustained energy. He eats 5 to 6 small meals throughout the day, ensuring his metabolism stays revved and he has constant fuel for his intense training. There are no crazy restrictions, no starvation. He simply fuels his body to perform, recover, and look good, naturally. And yes, he's joked about loving a Guinness post-training, because even Bond knows balance is key. Habit number 4, recovery is king. No matter how intense the workouts are, Daniel Craig knows the body's ability to recover is the real foundation of longevity. At 57, recovery isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. His recovery regimen includes daily stretching and foam rolling to keep muscles supple and prevent injuries, regular sauna sessions to promote muscle relaxation and detoxification, ice baths after particularly intense workouts, or filming days to reduce inflammation. Prioritizing 8 hours of sleep, the non-negotiable cornerstone of repair and regeneration. Incorporating active recovery activities on weekends, cycling, swimming, walking, to keep blood flowing without stressing his system. Craig understands that without recovery, progress stalls, injuries happen, and aging accelerates. This is the secret weapon behind his enduring strength and mobility. Habit number 5, consistency over perfection. The final piece of the puzzle is something too many people overlook: consistency. Daniel Craig's body is the result of decades of showing up day after day, year after year. He's not perfect. He's not training 7 hours a day. He's not starving himself or obsessing over every calorie. He adapts, adjusts, and stays disciplined, no matter the film schedule, travel, or life's curveballs. His trainer confirms that Craig never lets excuses derail his routine. When filming, he modifies workouts to fit the time and space he has. When off-set, he keeps training to stay ahead. This consistency, maintained over 15+ years, is what truly sets him apart. The takeaway: what you can do today. If you're wondering how to apply Daniel Craig's habits in your own life, here's the reality. You don't need million-dollar movie contracts or a team of personal trainers following you around to build a strong, youthful body. What you need is a clear plan, consistent action, and a mindset that embraces the long game. Start by focusing on functional training, movements that serve your life, not just the mirror. Think squats, deadlifts, push-ups, pull-ups, and overhead presses. These compound exercises mimic natural human movements and recruit multiple muscle groups at once, building strength, coordination, and real-world capability. You'll not only look better, but move better too, with fewer injuries and more control over your body as you age. Next, structure your training week wisely. Don't fall into the trap of doing the same workout every day. Like Craig, vary your intensity and focus. Aim for 3 to 4 days of resistance training, a day or two of low-impact cardio like walking, swimming, or cycling, and 1 dedicated day for stretching or yoga. This creates a sustainable rhythm that boosts performance while respecting your body's need for recovery. When it comes to food, keep it simple. Don't obsess over trends or cut out entire food groups. Stick to whole, minimally processed foods: lean proteins, complex carbs, healthy fats, and a rainbow of vegetables. Craig eats consistently throughout the day to keep his energy levels high and metabolism engaged, a strategy that works for anyone trying to build or maintain muscle. And then comes the game changer: recovery. Your muscles grow and your body repairs itself during rest, not in the gym. Prioritize quality sleep, stretch daily, and schedule true rest days. Even light walks or short mobility sessions can go a long way. But most importantly, show up every single day. Not perfectly, not always at 100%, but consistently. Because the people who win the long game aren't the most intense, they're the most relentless. You don't need to be Bond, you just need to be better than you were yesterday. Daniel Craig proves something important: aging is not a sentence to decline. With the right habits, you can keep your strength, your muscle, your confidence, and yes, your youthful looks well into your 50s, 60s, and beyond. So the question isn't, can I do this? It's, will I do this? If you want to live your life with energy, power, and vitality, like Bond, you need to start today. Because the clock is ticking for all of us. But the difference between surrendering to time and conquering it lies in what you choose to do now. Thanks for watching. If you want more videos breaking down the secrets of fitness legends and unlocking your best self, hit subscribe and join the community. Remember, it's never too late to become the strongest, healthiest version of yourself.